3D printed penny boats coming at you like a race car. All right, our second chance boats. Are you ready? Avast and put your boat in there, matey. Either one. Are you gonna put them in? No, she's floating. 2, 3. Is that 2? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 sunk her to the bottom of the sea. 1,
Don't let the clock in
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It held 10 successfully down to the bottom of Davy Jones' locker. All right, we had some trouble with this one, so we printed it 3 times. So we'll see if all 3 prints hold up pennies. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 8. 8 sunk
No,
her.
you should have done.
All right, here we go. Let's see how many this one holds. This is a second chance boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it held 5. 5 successfully.